Now, when we have this class in an in-person environment, typically what ends up happening is we spend a day, sometimes two, to work on these piping workshops. And so what I have is a couple of piping situations where a lot of things are going on, and so the students will work through them. I do preface these two piping workshops with this because I want you guys and girls to really sit down and give this a try before you look through the solution. If you get stuck, look at the solution as I'm working through it step by step, but these are ones that you really, really need to try to work through without watching the video first. This is really going to help you and determine whether or not you really know the material. I've talked to students in the past about this exercise, and from before I did it to after I did this exercise in class, students have really liked the fact that it drives home what's going on and helps them really understand what's going on. So once again, download the pictures, try to solve the problems, and then start looking at the solutions. If you get stuck, look at the solutions just a little bit to get you going. And then after you get the problem and figured out where you've made your mistakes, try to go back and fix them before you start watching the rest of the solution.